How to deep remove an app from iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. Now, swipe to find the app that you want to remove from here. Then, press and hold that app. Here, select Remove App. Tap on Delete App if you want to delete this app from your phone. Deleting this app will also delete its data. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this app. You can repeat this to delete other apps from your phone as well. Following these steps, you can easily deep remove an app from iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.